Hello and welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I want to take you around what we call our Hatchback System 1. So we've developed this system primarily for hatchbacks, and it's an entry level but true hi-fi system for your car. So we start off with Audison Prima front components. So that is the 6.5-inch woofer and the tweeter. Now in here we put the tweeter in from the front. The reason why we do that is the grille in this car is very directional and it would affect sound quality. So quite often we have to go in for the front, not always. Now this will fit most hatchbacks, anything from a Vauxhall Corsa to a Ford Fiesta to an ST to a Golf, a Polo. They all use this sort of very similar 6.5-inch and tweeter setup at the front. So Audison Prima, that's an entry-level speaker, but don't think for a moment it's an entry-level installation. This has been installed to full Audiofile-Incar specifications. So that means the 3-layer soundproofing, so it's the outer skin of the door. It's the entire door card, so all of the back of the door card, and it's the whole frame. Sorting out the acoustics of this door is so important. As we've said before, getting the acoustics right in the door, more important than choice of speaker almost. So we spend about 5 or 6 hours installing these components. Other people will tell you they do that, but they don't. We know that because when we take the cars apart, we see inside. It's always a token gesture, not a true 3-layer soundproofing system. Anyway, so we've done the Audison Primas up front. They sound great, they're nice and sensitive, so we get lots of volume just from the standard head unit. But then to pick up the bottom end, we've added an Alpine 8-inch subwoofer. Now, this is terrific value, it's very inexpensive, and the output of it is really, really good. It's retained using 2 straps normally. We've got a little subwoofer level controller which sits in the glove compartment, so it enables you to bring the level of the bass up and down. So once you've got a car and you've got really good front components running off the head unit, this car happens to have Apple CarPlay, so connectivity is already really good, and a little subwoofer producing some nicely controlled bass. You've got a proper hi-fi system. The amazing thing about this system, it's in and out in a day, and we currently offer it for just £799 fitted. So you can have a real hi-fi in your car for just under £800. That's also going to include a 3-year parts warranty and a lifetime installation warranty. That's if we follow our hi-fis. There you go. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a little description of a system we fit very, very frequently. Everybody's over the moon with it. Get yourself on the waiting list.